Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome to our channel FASTCABLING. So if your need is to bridge the gap and extend both power and data transmission range effortlessly, Outdoor PoE Extender is the answer. So today, let's step into a realm where reliability meets efficiency and ensuring seamless connectivity even in the most remote location. And also, you can claim your free tech design consultation today. Our expert team is here to tailor a customized solution that meets your unique needs. So don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your tech game with a personalized design. So in outdoor setup where devices needed to be positioned at a considerable distance from the power source, the need for power over Ethernet extension become paramount. Yet, standard PoE technology is limited in its ability to transmit power and data efficiently over extended distances, typically up to 100 meters, that's 328 feet. And when devices such as outdoor surveillance camera or access point require placement beyond this range, challenges emerge. And to address this, PoE Extender come into play. So behind me is a typical setup that allows the extension of PoE signal by an additional 100 meters. So we have 200 meters in total. We have one between, and here we can achieve 100 meters, and we have another 100 meters Ethernet cable. But in an outdoor PoE extension, encounter challenges such as environmental factors, longer cable runs, and the potential for power loss. And also, if you need to position your device beyond 200 meters for say 300 meters, that means you need to add another PoE extender. So now that you can have 300 meters in total. However, as you can see in the setup, that means you need to bury not only the Ethernet cable, but two PoE extenders in the ground since they're between the power source and the PDs. Since we don't want to add two PoE extenders in between, that's why we recommend you to use the PoE Extension Kit. Now this extension kit featuring 1,500 feet uninterrupted PoE and contain outdoor Ethernet extender for device at 300 meters requiring power and network supply. The PoE extender stand out in the realm of network solution with a robust design and offering key features that redefine connectivity. Their robustness translates into durability, water resistance, and proactive measure against power fluctuation. And the design and construction of our PoE extenders contribute to their ability and accommodating various networking needs while ensuring scalability for future expansion. Moreover, the cost effectiveness stems from their ability to leverage existing infrastructure, eliminating the need for additional power sources. So without saying, let's see how we can add this extension kit into our infrastructure. So let's do the connection from the beginning. We have the router, the NVR, and the monitor, and they're already connected. Next, I'm going to use an Ethernet cable to connect the router to provide data to our WebSmart PoE switch. Let's plug it in. So our PoE switch will provide both power and data to our extender. Using another Ethernet cable to connect the switch with our extender. For this dual bury kit, we're going to place two extenders by the power sourcing equipment and by the PD. So let's connect it to the extender. And here's a trick. Normally, we plug into the input port and use output port for the connected devices, right? But this time, we are going to turn it around since we're using input facing the input toward the other extender kit, well, the extender. So let's plug in here. And this is a mounting tool, allows you to mount it on a DIN rail flexibly. Just like this. This is our 300 meters Ethernet cable, and it's one big roll. So we don't need any extender in between, only to extend the Ethernet cable. Now I'm going to plug it into the input port of our extender. Plug it in. .300-meter distance. I'm going to take out the other side. Remember I said input facing input, so we are going to plug it to the input port of the extender. Just like this. Again, mount it back on a DIN rail. This is another Ethernet cable. Plug it into the output port of the PoE extender. Now we can connect with our bullet camera. Plug it in here. Just wait for a second. I can hear the sound. As you can see, the indicated light is on. Now it's receiving both power and data. And we are going to look at our monitor to see a live video feed. So the bullet camera is zooming. And I'm going to wave my hand so you can see this is absolutely a live video. So the whole connection is done. So by using this extension kit, not only you can get 300 meters continuous PoE run, you can also connect the device up to 500 meters. We have 300 meters in between and 100 meters on each side. 100 meters to the power sourcing equipment and another 100 meters to the PD. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining us. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Fast Cabling. Also, you can share it with your friends or family who may benefit from it. And I'll see you in the next video.